Next, another topic that we are going to discuss in third chapter of GFC is skill management. Skill management means that is management should have some of the skills, or manager should have some of the skills. Here, good management skills are important for any organization to succeed and achieve its goals and objectives. If the management want to reach objectives or goals, they need to have good management skills that we are going to deal in this topic, that is skill management. Definition of skill management. Skill means the ability to do something well, or expertise in doing particular task or work is called skill. Skill in Telugu called naipunyam. Here skill management means skill management is a practice of understanding, means that is a practice which is done by the manager of the organization, that he need to have understanding and he need to develop and he need to deploying means bring into effective action. First he need to understand the people of that is people means here workers in the organization, and he need to develop their skills and he need to deploy means whatever the skills need to put into action, their skills need to put into action. There is skill management is a practice of understanding and developing and deploying people and their skills by the manager is called skill management. Well implemented means put into action. Skills management should identify the skills that job roles require, means ఇక్కడ వెల్ ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్ స్కిల్స్ అంటే మంచి స్కిల్స్ అండ్ వెల్ ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్ పుట్ ఇన్ టు యాక్షన్ should identify the skills that the job roles require. Means here the manager should identify the job roles that is required by the workers or employees in the organization, and the skills of individual employees, whether they have or not, that also you have to observe for the, that is to the employees, to the workers or to the workers, and any gap between the two, means whether they are having or not in these two, whether they are having or not, or their skills they are put into action, they are putting into the action or not, that have to observe by the manager. Here skill management is that need to have by the manager that is in the organization, that he need to understand and he need to develop and he need to deploy people and their skills, that he need to observe the skills of the workers and he need to observe that is roles of the workers and whether their roles can fulfill or not, they can fulfill or not, that also he need to observe in the organization, that is by the manager. If any gap is there means if they don't have skills, means that he need to explain to the workers or employees in the organization, so that they can avoid the problems and they can reach the success or they can reach the goals. తెలుగులో నిర్వహణ నైపుణ్యాలు, స్కిల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అంటే నిర్వహణ నైపుణ్యాలు. సంస్థలో పనిచేసే వివిధ వ్యక్తుల నైపుణ్యంపై అవగాహన పెంపొందించుకునే ప్రక్రియనే నిర్వహణ నైపుణ్యం అంటారు. తన సంస్థలో పనిచేసే వివిధ వ్యక్తుల నైపుణ్యాలు అర్థం చేసుకోవడం, వారి నైపుణ్యాలు పెంచి వారిని సక్రమంగా వినియోగించి ప్రక్రియను నిర్వహణ నైపుణ్యం అంటారు. దీనికి అవగాహన సంస్థలు సదస్సులు మీటింగ్లు నిర్వహించి నైపుణ్యం గలవారితో సంస్థలు వర్క్షాపులు నిర్వహించాలి. దీనినే నిర్వహణ నైపుణ్యం అని చెప్పి అంటారు. స్కిల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఇన్ తెలుగు కాల్ నిర్వహణ నైపుణ్యం. వేరియస్ మేనేజియల్ స్కిల్స్. Here that manager should have so many, that is some of the manager skills. Means what skills he should have, means management is a challenging job, means manager is a challenging job, means he need to accept the difficulty task. difficulty tasks if they have means, or if he have, or if employees have, or if organization have means difficulty tasks that he need to face and he need to take as a challenge. Means that is a challenging job. Manager or management job is a challenging job. It requires certain skills to accomplish such a challenge. Means certain skills he should have. Means కొన్ని నైపుణ్యాలు ఉండాలి టు అకంప్లిష్ సచ్ ఎ ఛాలెంజ్. అకంప్లిష్ అంటే దాన్ని రీచ్ అవ్వాలి అంటే హీ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ ఎ ఛాలెంజ్ ఫర్ రీచింగ్ దట్ accomplishment, means for reaching that success. Thus essential skills which every manager needs for doing a better management. Here essential skills means some of the skills he should need to have, which every manager need to have for doing better management, or called managerial skills. Means manager should have certain skills, those skills called managerial skills. What are the skills that we are going to see now? And that is first skills are conceptual skills that the manager should have. Conceptual means the manager should have mental concepts. Mental concepts means related to any worker, he should have an idea of that worker, that is skills of the worker, he should have an idea. That is called conceptual skills. Conceptual skills is the ability to visualize the organization. Visualize means you should have full idea about the organization as a whole. As a whole organization, you should have an idea. It includes analytical, creative and initiative skills. Means you need to think creatively, and initiative skills and starting skills or creative idea skills, or having or not, that you have to observe in the organization or to the workers. It helps the manager to identify the causes of the problems. Means by that it helps the manager to identify the causes of problems he can detect by observing the creative skills, initiative skills and analytical skills. He can observe the problems, that is causes of problems, and not the symptoms. Means once the problem is happened, means he should not focus on symptoms of the problem. He should identify the causes of problem, means why the problem is happened, what is the cause of problem that he want to detect, and it helps him to solve the problem for the benefit of the entire organization. Means he can solve the problem by detecting the cause of problem, that is useful for the entire organization. It helps the manager to fix goals for the whole organization and to plan for every situation. Means by avoiding the problem, that the manager can fix the goals again, and the whole organization and the plan for every situation. Means planning he can do by avoiding that problem, and that he can, means he should have mental concept about the creative ideas and about the initiative skills and about the analytical skills that he should have for detecting the problem or for detecting the causes of the problem, not the symptoms. And that is a conceptual skills. In Telugu, కాన్సెప్చువల్ స్కిల్స్ అంటే సంకల్ప నైపుణ్యాలు. సంస్థ మొత్తాన్ని ఒక్కటిగా చూసే నైపుణ్యాన్ని సంకల్ప నైపుణ్యం అంటారు. ఇందులో విశ్లేషణాత్మకత, సృజనాత్మకత మరియు చొరవ చూపే నైపుణ్యాలు కలిసి ఉంటాయి. ఇవన్నీ కూడా యాజమాన్య సంస్థ యొక్క సమస్యలను కనుగొనుటకు మరియు ఆ సమస్యలను పరిష్కరించుటకు చక్కని మార్గాన్ని చూపి యజమానికి ఎంతో లాభాలను చేకూరుస్తుంది. And that is the conceptual skills. Next, another skills which the manager should have is human relation skills. Human relation skills are nothing but is also called interpersonal skills. Means you need to have relation with other people within the organization. Human relation skills are also called interpersonal skills. It is an ability to work with people. Means he need to work with the people and he need to mingle with the people in the organization. It helps the manager to understand, communicate. Then only if he maintain human relations, then only he can understand the people and communicate with the people, and he can work with the people. It also helps the manager to lead, motivate and develop team spirit. means it also helps a manager to lead. Lead means he can handle and he can motivate. Motivate means prerana కలిగిస్తాడు అదర్ పీపుల్లో. అండ్ ఆల్సో హీ కెన్ డెవలప్ టీమ్ స్పిరిట్ మీన్స్ కలిసి వర్క్ చేసే స్పిరిట్ని వాళ్ళలో పీపుల్లో కలిసి వర్క్ చేసే స్పిరిట్ని ఇంక్రీజ్ కూడా చేయగలుగుతారు. అండ్ యూ కెన్ మేనేజ్ ద టీమ్ by having human relation skills. Human relation skills are required by all managers at all levels of management. Here, all managers require human relation, means all managers should have human relation skills, means they should have interpersonal skills and they should be able to work with people, that is able to work with others in the organization. So since all managers have to interact, means they need to interact and work with the people. All managers should have this skill, that is human relation skill. తెలుగులో హ్యూమన్ రిలేషన్ స్కిల్స్ అంటే మానవ సంబంధాల నైపుణ్యాలు. మానవ సంబంధాలు అనేవి నిర్వహణకు ఎంతో దోహదం చేస్తాయి. వివిధ వ్యక్తులతో కలిసి పనిచేయడం, వారిని అర్థం చేసుకొనుట, ప్రేరణ మరియు స్ఫూర్తి నింపుటకు మానవ సంబంధాలు అవసరం. దీనిని అంతర్గత నైపుణ్యం అని కూడా చెప్పవచ్చును. నెక్స్ట్ another type of skills which the manager should have is technical skills. Technical skills means that is related to the machinery or tools. You should have the idea and you should not the idea, you should have the capacity to deal with the machinery or tools. A technical skills is the ability to perform the given job he need to perform. Technical skills help the manager to use different machines, means by knowing the machinery and tools in the organization, means mostly in the industries will be having machines and tools. He need to have the idea about those machines and tools. By having the knowledge about those machinery and tools, he can able to manage those machinery and tools. It also helps them to use various procedures and techniques, means they can use the techniques with that machinery and process also you can follow by using that tools and machines. The low level managers require more technical skills, means if the knowledge is less, means having to the managers means they need to have more technical skills. This is because they are in charge of the actual operations, means they are because of their actual operations, means total organization operations and about the machinery and tools they need to manage, so they should have the technical skills. And that is technical skills. In Telugu, technical skills means సాంకేతిక నైపుణ్యాలు. ఇవ్వబడిన పనిని నిర్వర్తించే సామర్థ్యాన్ని సాంకేతిక నైపుణ్యం అంటారు. సాంకేతిక నైపుణ్యాలు నిర్వహణకు ఎంతో అవసరం. సాంకేతిక నైపుణ్యాలు నిర్వాహకులకు వివిధ యంత్రాలను మరియు పరికరాలను ఉపయోగించడంలో తోడ్పడతాయి. And there is a technical skills. Next, another type of skills the manager should have is communication skills. Communication skills means that the communication, whatever the information is having, that are required equally at the all three levels of management, or required means all three levels of managers should have the communication skills, means all managers should have the communication skills, means the ability of sharing the information from one person to another person is called communication. And the ability to share the information means that they need to have expertise in sharing the skills, that is information they need to have share. The type of skills are called communication skills. A manager must be able to communicate the plans, whatever the plans and policies that he need to share, that he need to communicate to the workers. He must be encouraged a free flow communication in the organization. Free flow communication means you need to share the information to all, and that information need to share from workers to other persons, and that ability the manager should have for dealing with the organization. And there is another skill, that is communication skills. In Telugu also communication నైపుణ్యాలు. ప్రతి నిర్వాహకుడు సంస్థ ప్రణాళికలను మరియు పథకాలకు సంబంధించి సమాచారాన్ని తన ఉద్యోగులతో తప్పనిసరిగా పంచుకోవాలి. అదేవిధంగా నిర్వాహకుడు ఉద్యోగులు చెప్పిన సమాచారాన్ని విని వారి సమస్యల పరిష్కారానికి కృషి చేయాలి. నిర్వాహకుడు సమస్యలో సమాచారం స్వేచ్ఛగా ప్రవహించేలా ప్రోత్సహించాలి. And that is called communication skills. Next, another skill the manager should have is administrative skills. Administrative skills are nothing but the manager should ability to control the whole the organization, or he need to run the whole organization by his hands. Administrative skills are required at top level management. Means top level manager should have compulsory, he should need to have administrative skills. The top level manager should know how to make plans and policies. Means plans how he should plan, or on policies how he should make, that all and all he should know. And they should also know how to get the work done. Means the work progress is how the work progresses, how the work is going to done, and they should be able to coordinate different activities of the organization. Means he need to actively participate with the activities of the organization, and they should also be able to control the full organization that he should control. That is administrative skill. Means that is he should have control over the full organization, and he need to run total organization, and he need to have certain how to make the plans and policies, and he need to see the progress that is work done by the workers, and that is called administrative skills. In Telugu, అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటివ్ స్కిల్స్ అంటే పాలనాపరమైన నైపుణ్యాలు. ఉన్నత స్థాయి యాజమాన్యం సంస్థ యొక్క లక్ష్యాలను, ఉద్దేశాలను నిర్దేశించే నైపుణ్యం కలిగి ఉండాలి. అంతేకాక వాటిని సాధించే క్రమంలో కింది స్థాయి ఉద్యోగులను, కార్మికుల సహకారం తీసుకునే నైపుణ్యం కలిగి ఉండాలి. అదేవిధంగా సంస్థకి సంబంధించి అన్ని కార్యకలాపాలపై తగిన నియంత్రణ కలిగి ఉండాలి. And that is called administrative skills. Next, another type of skills which the manager should have is leadership skills. Means నాయకత్వ పరమైన నైపుణ్యాలు కూడా కలిగి ఉండాలి. He should be as a leader that is should influence the people who surround him. Means leadership skills is the ability to influence human behavior. Influence means the capacity to change the development or behavior of a person that the leader should have. Here the manager should be like a leader, that means that he should have the leadership skills. He should motivate others to change their behavior or change their development. Means here a manager required leadership skills to motivate the workers. These skills helps a manager to get the work done through the workers, and that is a leadership skills. In Telugu, లీడర్షిప్ స్కిల్స్ అంటే నాయకత్వ నైపుణ్యాలు. మానవ ప్రవర్తనను ప్రభావితం చేసే సామర్థ్యాన్ని నాయకత్వ నైపుణ్యం అంటారు. నాయకుడు ప్రత్యక్షంగా కానీ పరోక్షంగా కానీ తన ప్రవర్తన ప్రభావితం చేయగలరు. ఒక ఉద్యోగి తన కింద పనిచేసే ఉద్యోగి చేత పని చేయించుకోవడంలో మరియు వారికి కావలసిన మార్గదర్శకత్వం, ప్రేరణ కలిగించడానికి నాయకత్వ లక్షణాలు కలిగి ఉండాలి. And that is the leadership skills. Means, and next another skill that the manager should have is problem solving skills. Means whatever the problem that he need to face, and he need to solve the problem even though it is difficult. Problem solving skills are also called design skills. A manager should know how to identify the problem. Means how need to identify the problem and what is the problem, and that he should know. He should also causes an ability to find a best solution. Means solution he should have that should be best for solving the specific problem. This requires, if he want to solve the problem, that he need intelligence, and he need experience, and he need data knowledge also he should need to have of the latest development. Means latest development of the organization, that he should have the knowledge and intelligence and experience about the total development of the organization. Then only he can solve the problems. అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ అ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వింగ్ స్కిల్స్. ఇన్ తెలుగు సమస్య పరిష్కార నైపుణ్యాలు. నిర్వాహకుడు ముందుగా సమస్యను గుర్తించి ఆ సమస్యకు మంచి పరిష్కారాన్ని కనుగొనే సామర్థ్యాన్ని కలిగి ఉండాలి. కావున నిర్వాహకునికి తగిన తెలివితేటలు, అనుభవం మరియు ప్రస్తుత పరిస్థితులపై పూర్తి పరిజ్ఞానం ఉండాలి. నెక్స్ట్, అనదర్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ స్కిల్స్ ద మేనేజర్ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ ఇస్ డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్ స్కిల్స్. Decision making means he can able to take the decisions quickly, means as required for the organization. Decision making skills are required at all levels of management, means all levels of management, means top level management, means top level kinda unde manager ki total 3 levels of managers ki they should have the decision making skills. However, it is required more at the top level of the management. ఎక్కువగా ఎవరికి ఉండాలంటే టాప్ లెవెల్ మేనేజర్కి ఉండాలి. ఎ మేనేజర్ మస్ట్ బీ ఏబుల్ టు టేక్ క్విక్ డెసిషన్స్ అండ్ కరెక్ట్ డెసిషన్స్. హీ మస్ట్ ఆల్సో ఏబుల్ టు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ హిస్ డెసిషన్ వైస్లీ, మీన్స్ తెలివితో హీ నీడ్ టు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ హిస్ డెసిషన్. ద సక్సెస్ ఆర్ ఫెయిల్యూర్ ఆఫ్ ఏ మేనేజర్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ correctness of his decisions. Means if whatever the success or failure, that is depends on whatever the manager taking decisions, on the decisions only, that is based on decisions only, the success or failure is depends, and that is called decision making skills. In Telugu, నిర్ణయాలు గైకొనే నైపుణ్యాలు. సరైన సమయంలో సరైన నిర్ణయం తీసుకోవడం ఒక వ్యాపార సంస్థ అభివృద్ధికి ఎంతో అవసరం. ముఖ్యంగా ఉన్నత స్థాయి యాజమాన్యంకి ఇది ఎంతో అవసరం. ఒక మేనేజర్ యొక్క విజయం, అపజయం అతని నిర్ణయాధికార నైపుణ్యాలపై ఆధారపడి ఉంటుంది. అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్ స్కిల్స్.